Hi, this is Liz, and it's a happy Tuesday, or as I like to call it, leftover Tuesday, because that's what we're having today. We're having leftovers. A couple of weeks ago, when the first time when the restaurants were delivering and everything, I went crazy and we ordered from the Italian restaurant. I ordered a tray of chicken franchise with the spaghetti and all kinds of pizzas and everything. And the leftover chicken I packaged and I froze. And now I'm down to the last two cutlets. And I'm going to use them tonight. I'm making a sauce here. And this is the leftover pizza sauce that I made the pizza with this week. And I also put in some of the tomato paste that I had left over. Now I also have a marinated artichokes. You want to come by, Ma? Okay. You want to sit? Yeah, sit down. Okay. We having raviolis today. That's why my mother's excited. She loves raviolis. I found spinach raviolis and they're over there. So anyway, I have this artichoke in oil, marinated artichokes, that I opened up on Easter to make the antipasta with, which I didn't use everything. So I'm going to put it all in the sauce. The oil, well, maybe not all the oil. Now I'm going to drain it a little bit and then just leave a little bit of oil on the bottom. And that's going to go in the sauce. So we're going to have a little chicken and artichoke, right, Ma? And ravioli. Now I'm also going to put a little bit, when I talk about red wine, this is what I'm talking about. The good old, the good old kind. My father loved this. He would have a glass on Sundays and he loved it. So you just put in a little bit of dollop and letting that come to a boil, a good simmer. Everything's really, pretty much cooked. I'm going to put, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the chicken cutlets on top of the sauce, only to heat them through, to warm them up, because they're cooked too. So they're just going to heat up in the sauce. I'll just cover them a little bit and let them, they're just going to simmer with the artichokes and the tomato sauce, and we're making a quickie. This is a quickie. I'll tell you, I can't wait to go out to eat, because I'm telling you, I gotta be honest, I'm sick of my cooking, and I'm sure my mother is too. But you gotta eat, and I'm it. So I try to do my best. Okay, so this is simmering. The chicken is getting nice and warm. Okay. It's pizza sauce, tomato paste, water, wine, artichokes with a little bit of oil. I'm going to save some of the water when I drain the raviolis, in case it's too dry. Okay. And so here we go. I'm going to drain the raviolis. Okay. And I think we're ready to plate. So we're going to have a little bit of ravioli for my mom. 5 ravioli. There's always more if you want more. Right, Ma? The chicken cutlet. laying the chicken cutlet on there. And then I'm gonna put some sauce with the artichoke on top. So we take a little sauce with the artichoke. Nice. And then we finish it off with a little Parmesan. And that's it. That's a quick leftover Tuesday. And I'm just going to cut up the chicken for my mother. And we're going to dig in. Till next time, be well and stay well.